In this video, I'm going to show you how trading doesn't have to be difficult. I'm going to show you how easy this can be if you follow a simple set of trading rules. This video is life-changing, guys, honestly. I highly recommend that you watch this if you're having a tough time in the markets and you want to find a simple solution. And I mean, there's indicators we use here that give us a bit of a heads up. You don't have to use them, so if you're not using the indicators, that's fine. There's a way to do this. So look, I sent this in yesterday, and I'm going to refer to the indicators, but just think of it from a price action perspective as well, okay? So I said to everybody here, look, set a bullish momentum sync and VWAP alerts for the breakout. So that, you know, without the indicators, we're just looking for the breakout, pullback and retest. That's it. So, you know, buy there, okay? It's as simple as that. And here is why this was a bullish idea, and the euro yen was the other one. Here's why that was the idea. Okay, if we come back to the pound yen, all I'm looking for, guys, is, let's just take that out. I'm just looking for this. That's it. And I point this out in every single one of my videos. See this trend down here. See how it's trending down, and at some point, right, you got a line through here. At some stage it breaks. Higher, low, higher, high. Right, so that's where you buy. This trend now shifts gears and it's doing that. Then all you're looking for is when it expands and comes back, you buy. That's it. All right. Okay. Easier said than done. But anyway, that's the idea. So to make this really easy, I had my indicators developed. And I want to show you this. Look, it doesn't have to be difficult. Now, sometimes at the end of the trend, you might get caught. That's okay. But the idea is that you've been following a strategy that's been working and you're up 4R. You're trading this and you're up another 4R. You're 8R ahead. Okay, so you take this one. You might lose 1R. No big deal. If you're up 8 and you lose 1, then you're up 7. Okay, so you want to think of it that way. There's going to be losses. That's part of the game. But have a look at these. This is a 30-minute chart. This is trending up, and I'm looking for when price pulls back and we go into the next expansion phase. So there's your, that's it. Enter. Expands, it retraces, and we're looking for the next opportunity. Okay, pull back a little bit further. Expands, retraces, and then we want that. So you can take these signals. That's it. So yesterday I posted this, and all I said was, here's a thing, wait for the next momentum sync buy signal and take that trade. So let's just see when that happened. Forex sessions. That was into the London session. So that blue line is London. Okay, I sent this idea in, I think it was through the Asian session. I said, wait for this to break out of this. We had this volume profile range, right? Wait for the breakout of the range and then take the next buy signal. That's all you got to do. So easy. I'm reluctant to get involved up in here, although that would have worked. And I'm going to suggest that when you do this, you take 60% off the table at 1R. And then move your stop loss up a little bit, and then that's profitable regardless. It can pull back and take you out, and you've made money. Same with this one, okay? Close 60%. Like the buy signal happened here. Close 60% when you reach 1R. We're waiting for 1R. Although I probably don't like to buy when it expands like that. This is Asian sessions just kicked off here, and I'm looking for this to actually pull back. Anyway, you probably don't want to be buying before the session kicks off. That's just something to consider. But after the London Open, there's the opportunity. So that's it. You're looking for price action to be giving you higher highs, higher lows in this case, and just set momentum sync bullish alerts. Take that next trade. If this pulls back, and I really want to see it come down into here, and then I'm going to be looking for the next momentum sync buy signal down in here. Now, why I think this might pull back, look, see this? Have a look at this volume profile. This is what we call a typical D-shaped volume profile. And this expansion is generally Well, it looks like a bit of a panic to me. This thin liquidity, see the volume profile is very thin and it's thick down in here. Usually when you get thin volume like that, it'll pull back down into it. Anyway, that's just a whole other thing. So, you know, we've got two indicators that will help you build your account past your prop challenge, whatever you want to do. The next one is this one. It's called the VWAP, volume aligned VWAP, volume weighted average price, and it gives you these other signals. So where the momentum sink signals fall short, see down here, for example, there's no momentum sink there, right? We missed that one. Let's just take the sessions out, right? This VWAP, it's a VWAP cluster breakout. That's the dark signal. It breaks out of the VWAP cluster, and this one, and the up triangle, is this trend here shifting. So you've got this trend coming down, and then this breaks structure and goes into the next expansion, and that's where these little up triangles come in. So you've got down triangles telling you that this is pulling back now, red, and then after these red ones, you're looking for the next green. That's it. Take it. It's trending up. VWAP breakout is the label, and the little up triangle is just the trend shift. Okay, call it a chock, change of character. That's what that is. Pulls back, and then you get a bit of a movement, shift in the trend, change of character. See how it's red here, and then it turns green. You're looking for that, like a bullish trend. The red's telling you there's a pullback, and that you just want the next green signals in a trend. That's it. It's so simple. Don't complicate things, guys. You got these two indicators to give you, and then there's another one over here that helps, and all the rest of it. But no, keep it simple. Keep it simple. Then you got this one. This is the Scalp Master. You know, let's just have a look at that. Just take everything else out. What's the Scalp Master telling us? There you go. Look, go for it there and there. That's the Scalp Master. 30-minute chart. I don't mind it on the 30-minute. Sell there. Close down in here. And like, I'm always encouraging everyone to take 50 or 60% off at 1R, but I mean the two indicators really are these two here. I mean, yeah, it's seriously, guys. And look, there's a 7-day trial with this. Try it for 7 days, make a difference, and then after that, at this stage, it's discounted to only $29.95. It's ridiculous. There's nothing like this out there. So I mean, I guess you'll either see the opportunity or you won't. But follow the rules with this. This is not inviting anybody to just blindly, you know, when it's a green thing, to naturally buy. Use these tools when the market's trending. And one easy way to check if it's trending is, I mean, you can just go into the 4-hour chart and you can see higher highs, higher lows, you know, so you can see where it's trending. Yeah, I've got a lot of markups on the chart. So, you know, go through and find, okay, that's not trending, so stay out of it. What's the Aussie yen doing? Well, I mean, the markets are going to be bullish. It's starting to move. All right, so look, Aussie yen could be a thing. See that? I don't mind that. Really love to see this thing turn around and start heading up. But I mean, this is a trend. That's a trend. You get involved there, guys, with the indicators, and it's Christmas. Seriously. So, you know, let's just find some of this stuff that's trending. I mean, maybe the Aussie yen, the Aussie dollar, what's that doing? That's not trending. Look at it, okay? But I'll tell you what, here's the thing with this. When you see price doing this, here's a little tip. What you can do is you can grab a VWAP, anchored volume profile, and throw the volume profile back in here and take this range, pull up this range. And what you're looking for is when this breaks out and starts trending, okay, like up in here. This is another video. Anchored volume profile. Fixed range. You'd pull the volume profile through here. Look, I'll show you this. There we go, look. Let's do this. I'll show you how to get involved with this. Extend right, take that out. See the high and low of it. This is a range. So you're always looking for price to range, 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 you know. It's a trend. And if this is a downtrend and there's a breakout of the range, that's where you get short. Downtrend, breakout of the range, there it is there. Really keep it simple. It's not difficult. So at the moment, this is not trending, but when it breaks out and it starts to do this, that's when you get involved with the indicators. And let's just keep going. CAD Swiss, find some trending, okay, that's trending. There you go. All right, I'm looking for a short. So I'm going to be going down to the lower time frame, the 30-minute. Just stick with that. Let's see, look at the signals, guys. Look, there they are. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, all down through here. You're not going to get involved when it's range bound, so stay out of it. See, look at all this noise in here. Just don't touch it. Wait for, see this value? Wait for the breakout of value. That's it. I mean, look, you could, but you're going to get chopped up. And it's going to, these are not buy and sell signals. It's just telling you when there's conditions that are met that are, either bullish or bearish, and it's choppy. But now we get involved with this, right? So what you can do here is you can go to the momentum sync and just set the alert. Oh my God, this is, seriously, this is magic. Let me just take this out. Okay, and I'll show you where you go from here. And you can build your own signals. So we've got Aussie yen or CAD Swiss. So Aussie yen, I'm looking for a buy. So I'm going to set my rule with this, and it's going to be, all right, anchored volume profile. I'm going to throw it back in here. All right, see, it's still range bound. So you don't touch any of this. It's messy. Leave it alone. But you're looking for, this is what you're looking for here. There. All of this. Then through here. Okay. So we don't touch that. And I'm thinking it might, I don't know, it might be bullish. Who knows? It's slightly higher highs and higher lows. Probably leave it until it starts trending. We'll come back to it. This one's trending. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to set up the alerts. I'm going to come in here, 3 dots, and I'm only looking for a sell alert. And it's going to be all sell alerts, all bullish, all bearish. There you go. And I'm going to go once per bar, close, create. My bearish alerts are set. I'm only looking for sell. So CAD Swissies one, what's the CAD yen doing? That's range bound. And I mean, you don't even have to go to a 4-hour chart. You can just grab the anchored volume profile. Look at the range high and low. See the low? Okay, go in back in here. That's still range bound. Don't touch it. Swiss yen. That's trending. Look at it. I mean, you can just see it. You just really only just need to. And look, here's the other thing. You could. Trend track multi will tell you. Okay, let's mark that one up. I'm looking for buy signals. Right, so set VWAP and momentum sync buy signals. So come in here, 3 dots, add alert. That's all you got to do. And you've got your own thing going here, all bullish. Once per bar, close, create. And I'm going to go the momentum sync. Let's just throw these two together. These are my go-to, bring to front. There we go. Okay, VWAP and the momentum sync up the top. Throw those in there and then go for the alerts. All right, so you've got this. There's all the alerts. What's this? Swiss yen. VWAP alerts, add alert. Okay, all bullish. Once per bar close. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go through the rest of these, and I'll send in a watch list to my VIP guys. Guys, join. It's free. 7 days. Enjoy the ride. And then $29.95. Shout me lunch once a month. And just, I've been trading for over 20 years. You get all of that in my mentorship videos. Anyway, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.